Yena na yoba.
Bia.
And yena.
Aye.
It's all baby I am
Mommy.
mommy.
Annie. Pachomate.
Okay.
Nana Hemaa akwaba.
Yoba. Me de me timi just so yoba is me obia ne na me obia ne na abrewa.
No cray. Mama akwaba biom pa eba Onua FM.
Thank you.
And ye be bon komo. Me pachofe no atuni na me ne Nana Hemaa na apostle ebe bon komo. Nana Hemaa eye apostle yire. If I just say no cray. I won't ase me so kra me ntiase enti ene de ye nyina ye ansa na ye mpon show no na obi a te niam bia ase apostle na be dikin akasa because they say no we are ladies first but ene de ene ha and had the men first. Apostle
Ohima.
fachora niam mu te say
Erade adom. Nyame ti ase nko ade enso ye ti ase.
e de radiase apostle na wo share Nana Hemaa da ben e wo he dwabo bi ase ana Nana Hemaa ba crusade.
Well, so Missy Mesha we cut everything short. You're classmates.
Hey, me
Na-
pacho Anthony. Oh, my class 2 classmates. Me but more than me because things are possible.
You go school together. I don't think
Okay.
secondary school. That was I think around 92 na yen year. But now we yen near now for 4. And you know now she was one of the close friends, my best friend pa. But now that time no na man no more romantic no.
Oh.
Na mean to me and come any man can hear. Now yen you know we're just kids. Later then you share. It was through Lawrence Tete and Yedi Shia. Suffer Lawrence Tete, yeah.
Wow.
Lawrence Tete and Nebano.
Okay.
You know, why Suffer Lawrence Tete say ne papa. So it was through Suffer Lawrence Tete that we met. And then Yedi Tige.
And I'm with reunion.
Yeah, reunion.
Oh wow.
Old
school reunion. It's mu share na so kai me na kai wodada.
Yeah.
No kai wodada.
But now what was sister because those times now she was so cute. I mean, so now me sa.
Oh.
Inti yehu no obi a say we remembered some years ago memories all over. And I'm say ohonom na no ye de hwe so.
Samra wo share na no bi wo hodada na se na no bi ani ho.
Now I say I've gone into a first marriage already but it didn't work out.
Okay.
And you know after that we met na me say idea we dey me say e divine no. Inti ma me fa mo hwe say me de to ho a ebe ye adwuma na nyame adome de to ho na me say bibia ko smooth level.
Nana Hemaa. Nana Hemaa.
So that is how we met. And I ultimately said, I acquired friends some years back, you know.
Yes.
It didn't take time.
They
But
did.
me and she thought I was also joking. Nah, I said, no, I'm serious. So, also me man emre. No, you know, I say man, there's an amotie.
Ai.
Ubi shia was see our bompire. Aquadachi Mota Forest. Aqua Dumfa. So here kunu. Nipa ni shia wa also pe wa se me ko dwene ho.
Ko dwene ho say.
Ko dwene ho say. Nti die nti na wo bompire. Maybe we don't take chances. But yeah, see, at the end of two more, I pen what time I did not the call.
Not the call.
One more so train. I so be Jinan home and son watch a cherry pond and son of water. At the end of two basket in my time, never call.
Never call. Would you know what
You know what you'll be about Baba? You can train and now see when you may be home.
Debbie.
What's the opportunity come what? But whatever.
At
once. And sometimes you have to create the opportunity for yourself. Into creating a ban was some. A ban so was some. But the boy not train and I say me who send your person idea ne ba person yankopon di free soro. Na men start say wedding dem near say oba near their shows. No, there are certain things you have to just grab it and go away.
Preach on.
What do you say? So that is how it is. You know, a ban is
I said so for Nana Hemaa class or kodwe ho na say
there be my can say no can catch in so ya check. Because near be honoma, sister, you don't have to waste time on it. So you are waiting for the thing to come. And you know, once you are waiting for, almost everyone some to me for counterfeit be the but there are certain things at the end of your peer, you have to know that this is what I'm expecting. Let me take it and let me go away. But in China, when I say,
Nana
intimacy, no.
me ba cho ya te da se. Nana Hemaa, enti apostle e de proposal ne ma wo no. E na akwadwe ho.
Of course, because say it's not that easy.
No, not at
Say,
all.
Obi Beka say, me worry.
Same you.
Are you really serious? Me worry. And me worry. You look at age, the number of children you have. They be an me come as them say, omo mun trubi, omo mun truba, crampon and easy. Now wa ukra choboy, uka choboy a dom just
Yay.
So what am I saying? I have to be really sure, and especially let me put it this way. No matter what, that's how I'll put it. The caliber of person I am, the status I have, and secondly, after so many years, mission or so forth.
Yes.
So, are you really serious? And now, like because say everybody have a perception.
Very true.
Around us.
Yes.
Everybody have perception.
Okay.
Me can say me kwadwen ho a sabi anya me ni me sumie pe.
Debbie.
Na me kwadwen.
Debbie.
E say me friend me paying for say me share abranti bi. Also person worry me. So what are your thoughts? Mu nyina mo dwen ho sen.
Nti so omo ka say ye mpene anka wo so wo mpene. Abra wonim se wo pe no.
Oh. Sabi my paying so muntu me kan kire me direct. Say me mpene. Dabi. Omuntu me kan say ye mpene. Na wa be kan se fa wani to form.
Okay.
Na shade. Omo ma mean like just brush him off.
Okay.
Debbie, and no cry and ya fair. Not at all my bunanim.
Also, when
because me na me ma kon ma kon.
Aha. That's now your Hemaa.
No me or Hemaa, and at that time, no. I think now I've been a queen for almost 7 years already. Since I'm 12 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, no till I no penny for quadre ho no.
Aha.
Okay. But oh your Hemaa no so yes of no. Enya ensusanso bia wo wahenie no no so apostleship no.
First of all, no. Obia ansana baby a obedu wo wiase mu bia no. Ufi baby. Ansana uko akodu ho. And let's make us say Apostle Newman or my husband. No. He's coming from one of the biggest royal homes in Ghana.
Okay.
We are talking about Sechiabia Royal House in a Kropon Equiapem. Say Siano, my hine, Okuapin hine otiso, aya osia deyo naneku for to be a sano. I know of Fasi.
Okay.
Into
royals.
Into no fee royal home. Into no what one no tun kongwem. Into I don't think say a Hindi no should be a problem for him. Into no it's like my friend is about to say 2 royal families are I then
Eshia.
Eshia. Into no it shouldn't be anything. No, I mean him say in Crawford out like I didn't see now way now say well so many things in terms of spirituality, but say obia beka no kware achora me nim obi krom amane ayekoso but me baby a me di ade no me papa fi ashrase me mama fi Larteh na no na Kronti-Division Hemaa no inti no me di ade wo me na echi but okay. Me papa echi nso no ye fi Asetri Royal House e wa ashrase inti no me nua bury ma panyi ene na na ashrase hene.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, nti no sana me de no ekoye. Nti no it's like spirituality no nothing about Larteh because obi anim say ehona na media de.
Odi ade.
Larteh no obi obeka tro obi ofi Larteh bia ube interview no bia no obeka tro say obia nkonkonwa dem.
Okay. Just a mema no kwa.
Oberima ina ewura nkonwa dem.
Okay. Na just wo de wo nkonkonwa dem.
There be ina menye nkonwa hemia na maka menyi mpai.
There be.
Menya ochiame na magunsa.
Okay.
Ina at times no oka say oyo hemia everything goes like, are you a fetish priestess?
Ah, you kogunsa, ubeya paye, ubeye sei.
Sabe, menti, enyame na meti mpenyi mwanim, enyame na meti na nakono de bosumano.
Ne royalty ede.
So what am I saying?
Yes, obiya wonya oye. Yes, obiya wonya.
Enyame na meye. Ina say, journalist, mako ahimfi bebre, kra. Mako ahimfi bebre, mo say tama wogunsa ya pai no. Eye nchiamefo na eye.
Debi. I say presidency, president wonya oye, vice president wonya oye. Sana hini no so tie. Okay. Ntu di akonya a unkogwa paye, unkoyi sebi musuo. Onya sa nyoma no.
Debi enya ma adwuma. Me pata say according to Larteh amane no, enya ma adwuma.
But other royalties they be no mudo moye.
I don't have it.
But Larteh there.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Because when you say me din kra what the bema me no. Eye egwedin no. Eye Amoabea no. Eye me wofa. Say me di me na ade nti me wofa nom na eginai na wo ye bibia. Say assurance ye di wofa ade. Larteh fu di ejade but assurance ye di wofa ade. Nti na I have that privilege.
Okay.
Over there no. Nti me wofa nom na eginai na ekonkonwa fi ekoye bibia ede maame.
Oh wow, this is interesting. Enti unyini ye na udi ade no 12 years back.
Yeah.
Ebeto. And I say
me mama free mu no. My friend say it took almost 21 to 22 years. Nobody ascended the stool. Akonyani daho.
For 21, 22
yeah, my friend
years.
said 21 years. Because so free me calculate here, it's 33. Now I was 14 years.
Now unyandru ye.
No.
Now I eba penny.
The mini catchery.
Hey, is it like a train or dear dear?
Well, eduwa. So wuna wudi. It's like they have no options.
Oh.
Yeah.
But now when you are not paying for.
Me when you are not paying for. And so ushemwa senya Larteh adidi no teno. Na chesa me mama ye oberima ba. Inti no se me mama ni hɔ a na it should be me uncles no one man and I say me aunties in Kitwa ni bi. But for whichever reason I would jaw egwano menkas egwani da ho for that period I will be to me and the adeno. Because no. Me no one thing that mommy who in say everything was like a dream. Meso dino na yashisheme ni asumi wa pakaimu. What is going on?
Okay.
Na me compaibo. What's your one paibo we waha or sofono oya diodifu no me conswa na wo sofono mo bisa me say me your him ya na me dia sia na. Na me say no.
Maybe cry when so phone ndi nkomo da
I mean no be na de me
o de akọ
say me huni na me conswa obisa me say me your him ya na me dia sia na like me ba be so na hwe. Na me say no. If you make up baby, I say me huna make up baby. Sometimes say me or him na me dey siana na me say no me dey me common floor member me na me dey it's at a point in time no and that way no cramp it took me 5 years and sana me say there be mama mbo fie no impen for amane say near kosu ni into me kind no asamba kwa me aunt ba ko ka kire me say on na say odi me mama ade o share like line ni mo on no so odi me mama ade
no na dru ni so
but o come pai bo wo baby no asama do for no kind ni say ni obedi ade no brain no so into try obewu
na bi enu nti na akonya ne da ho saa for 21 years no ebi empanyefo no so bi saa ma mo ka the same thing the chair
nobody even tried say bia oh mama pray and also normally a got our pray but nobody it was just there like everything just right I said nobody even existed like that
until someone ran a song yeah
into me catch us me auntie no say Daya me susu ni me call sorry me compare but no say you no quarry.
Wow. Hey, Timrena song yeah. And no more studio.
Yeah.
And finally 12 years ago.
Yeah. That was 1st July. In Adiba Council say I said 1st July so no will see me mommy 33 years back.
Let's just say one cause I need the chosen one.
Yeah.
You've used the word.
Yes.
We have selective ones, we have covenant ones, and we have chosen ones.
It's not Hemaa no mu choosing.
Exactly.
A home na ankasa no konya na ankasa say we no mo pe no.
It is wow. You can't take any decision.
The Yamia choose there say Yamia choose.
Exactly.
And it's funny say obi me sano me be call school or Larteh. Into my friend say me nyin Larteh. But I never got involved with anything traditionally. To say odredu, baby odredu I was him for wo bodja eye park no so no. A hot park na chi ho na yemfie ewo. But I never went to any place.
One ko hebi da.
Dabi na me wan say nipa enam ho.
But fa ho.
But nya wo ya him fie no. So I was like, why me?
Wow. It is awful.
Hello.
Ushia na Hemaa no your Hemaa dada.
Michia no your Hemaa dada.
Now so you suffer dada.
I've been in ministry for 25 years.
Hey.
Yes, but I don't have a church. That is my calling.
Okay.
So my friend no. Me a fully Presby born, trained from Christ Apostolic Church. I want to menya adomo. But me calling no enye se bia. Meti asori. Unse ebi ni wo hodoma ohu nani so. Oso da obi so da ye no kire na se pe a. Ana obo mpaye deliver obi o hye nkom ni ade. No person cement bo upload maybe a structure or put something in place. But
no do offering.
Exactly. Oji offering. Asemu. You know, at the end of the day, 25 years in ministry, I don't have a church. Mine is to move from churches to support them. And I say, maybe I move around to help those who are starting a ministry. That is what I've been doing all over the world. You know,
yeah.
No, I have a fellowship that is Tim Newman's Fellowship Ministry. That is in Maryland. I don't know what Maryland. Yeah.
And the wow there.
Yeah, it's like a fellowship. It's like
but
all
denomination.
Yeah, sorry.
Mushia,
I just deliver to them. Bibi how ne radi ichire me amacho. Me ma dom ni na akwanchire. Say me hu ne how ne ichire I just give you a direction to your problem. Say be idea way to hu anamo you say. Oh yeah, near radi be sa akwan na ma na say be a fruit of the womb. Say be on here ba. Ebia yare be spiritually how and I say bianca wankasa woni pedua no you have a problem and I say bibi koso wa bra bom na erade dan edi kire me a the only thing I do is just to give you a direction this is erade see ni nti wutu sa de no ho anamo a you will see a very good solution out of it nti me friend no they say o ba se na so di mechi I mean as already amedu kwa ko wurem
Debbie Besi yesu ne suafo no.
Me ni asori dan.
Wonam na motwe akra.
Ye twe akra eboa nyame adwuma ma nyame adwuma ye den ekoso.
Inti se oni gidi a.
Oni gidi me ndi mechi.
Me ni achi.
So that is why I told me I call Canada say me catch rom say me ni asori o. Nti udi mechi a me ni bebi amedo be kwa akoshe.
Inti asofo no mudi wachi na bi atumi asisi nsori.
Oh bebre. Nana Kwame is one of my boys so those times. I train him up. I have a lot of men of God who have established their churches around in Ghana here. Omwedi mechi omwenya me home faso. No, when the time comes, and say nyame catch me say Makoa Newman. See, sorry dying. Prayer camper. I'll do it. On our fro, until on our fro, and so be some near as a way. And you want who didn't win Yansan as so dear baby. On our fro said Brad, I be in a Jumamano. This is my banner was me with Jumamo, a Juma Ben, I mean your mouth. You have to ask the Lord. No, I demand him the Yansan if you two animal. But one Casse be and Yamia Frebe, Namikra calling. What kind of calling do you have? Obia bet me akaso obia or calling.
Yes.
But what kind of specified thing said dear na minya merati? That is it. So for 25 years, I don't have a church. But I organize a program every last Friday of the month that is about worship and prophecies. You're sorry, Nyamia, na Radia Sania. Oh, now, when I came, na the Wangara Hotel, conference room. But after I'm about Shesa program, so I'm about to start that program. Prahana Meba, I'm my interview on that particular program. Into no, near Dahono.
Into Shao, Nana Hemaa. How many years have you been together with her?
2017, right?
Oh.
Exactly.
Oh wow. Into Uja Wareno, what you interest look at class and Ocean and Hemaa?
Yeah.
By how many years?
It took me like almost like 2 years.
Oh wow, okay. Into first marriage, Edibe, how many years?
My first marriage was around Edibe, like about roughly like 15, 16.
And I was signing divorce papers officially.
Of course, because Senyamia Fremina Niaman Kui or ABA Nipa or partner na, you have to take a decision. Because when Nyamia Fro. Now in Kuya, you have to make sure you put your feet down. Oh, it's not that Senyame support, but sister, never be honoma. Na say we be ameba ba kwa ko di obi nchen on nati ona de bia na obonwa. Say because of our ejaye nyinti na the pick up ako siwa park me ba niam na negum na me de na be fie. Because say baba be pra me ba na mame. That's yeah. Into those times in Old Testament, the Bible can say "Nify how we're traching." It doesn't mean say take a knife or a cutlass or a machete to cut it off. You have to decide for yourself. When I would see a jano, in a jana show, take a decision and come out.
So be do no, so be low no.
No matter how, I'll be it depends on you. Yes. So that is how it is. Into me can say our rejaya, but it doom ribia. You have to take a decision on yourself because nyamen afro. And if you want to walk with the rasa to be anymore, so you have to come out and decide for yourself. Cement na homa yen kumu
and fa ferry
no be maybe our or baby. Ami de meniko to ye. Lady ni rasta na wabon the be man de so. Ni di 2 by redo. And the twa. Nintama fite nyina wato gu adeka. Be man hwie enwo kokko zo me. Egu ni nyina emu. And or the rasta no so much no 20 no something like this. And Obabe can say this is what the word of God. Fine, but you are killing the person. So you have to make sure you take a decision for the person. A moral decision. Just take it up. But what am I saying? Into me, my dominant aquanchere. Obama in China. Near the baby, many a catcher, who 2 and a mona this one. It clicks. That's all.
It's all Benjamin.
Ben radio. Ben radio. Ben radio. No casa na what's in the Umaya Ben radio. Umaya Ben radio. Umaya Ben radio. No casa yatinini.
Wa wutie Onua 95.1 be radio no kasa watinini. Nyame ne wo kasa wa you said ye wo ya na wo ye. Nyame bo ne ni kire wo bia wo be so betie. Me sire wo Ben radio no kasa watinini. So for into ne Nana Hemaa shia mu no mo ba ware ye no ma wo ma
ni nyina na meka say to God be the glory nyame nim ni oye But now she has her kids already. I also have my kids already. So right now we are having 7.
Wow, 7 beautiful kids.
Yes, we have 4 girls and 3 boys. We have 4 boys and 3 girls, and they are all our kids. You don't have to. You love me, you love my cat.
I know correct. Exactly.
No, me in crown 4 cats, what in crying?
There be that.
Oh, any I shall say, sure. In crown 4 say, can't GF of women pop. What I say, can't GF of women pop. May him. Who travel for an many abaning in a man can say about Muntino. Ube ya banes in chain.
Okay.
I better be yeah, come home. Intimidate abano.
A baby away here.
I baby was on so good. And crying so for food.
And I was so good. Or Hemaa and a software warrior. A question.
Echo ye na I think say about our rimwa. It's not about titles. It's about the reality on the ground. No matter who you are, about warrior, a so we yanya ubeye nyina so be our refo. And abema ukno eni ejehu. And abema odu abonti no say Mire your Hemaa and I mirror your Udifo be a mirror journalist, mirror your way. I don't know about wow. Now, so one young year so we will fear now Udwa Bontin, now Wobbo or Hemaa ho, journalist, oh, time coffee. No. Into no about warrior a individual choice how you want your marriage to be.
Into interest or your Hemaa into Ukunu software free, Juma Banajani Ajo, or say, eh, there be me your Hemaa, one casacoya wadia because me a dish and tissa.
Wait, what's it? A trophy, my dancing knee, a wedge. GH boy will tell you how many times I will be fear my casamijina kitchen. They have to come and help me. Afraid domo, apejamo, waba bechinam, inunum crime, in what jollof ye. Misha kitchen. They come there to help. Makasa na mijina because nyonim ya mensano eduan.
Wow.
Me obia oti menchen will tell you, say on chuchu me gware. On lay me bed.
Bibi royalties in the system run as a one cassa. Or your bar no dear.
Una we your obia.
Or tell warrior say.
Una what your warrior say. Into no say obama obi abeye den. Abe tu ukunum pa. Enya woba. It's no matter what no. I say we safeguard our no. So what must and chain nan say say.
Me will help us. Someone be ye way.
No.
Now what's one hour? Yeah,
me dwayne wi a.
Ombe hon kuku onum ni ade.
Yeah. Chicha jene no mame blend the tomatoes ni si ho mame.
Ya kan nyina.
Nam no o wi afre me. Ina impasa ne yeden. Mo sori anopa no. O gina dem ho ya no wato wo mpa. Ina me no we me man no crab because say ma udem to say hotel room. Wow, to me chan want to me in some pa.
When in Jehon said the crowd pen.
No. I love my blankets, I love my comforters, I love my pillows. It's no oba be anything.
Let's just say submission. Or waren kwadi also so mukunu. Said your Yeribia Beye.
And it's as easy as that. I mean, how many minutes will you take to just fold under singlets near put it here, Yana socks on himself into a sorry no or CSC no one on the how. But I would the cofra be and to say fra Maybe about for so he has singlet.
Or your
socks when he anyway. It's no war or piano. Unless who create space at the mano. Option drawer. On him say singlets waha, t-shirts waha, ne shorts waha, ne socks waha. Into Osias and home how. Yeah, on the how. It's simple as that.
It's awful.
One mommy, two my dead. Hey! Oh,
It's awful.
man. Hello.
Qualities way be down who mother or him.
I say every woman has qualities in her. Or baby, wo bear man son or baby. Uhunia maybe a one who when you want. Then you go for it. Now. All women are not perfect. Men are perfect. But work for Banwa, you have to tune or prune her how you want the lady to be. Obia nye pe. But maybe honmo nim senior kasa udwem. O nipe mu kasa popo. Obu onso a o ahobrase enye den eni ho. So wona a wo pese oba na yesi ma wo no. Bomodin go on your knees. Bible said in 21, Proverbs 21 verse 1, I say, Ohene akuma ederade nsem. Send your pen on the to say in su heading etene. This ohene akuma down some you want a lady, you want a man to be with now. Tell the Lord that this is how I want my man or my woman to be. Erade nso be yama. Say na okano, we are not basing on how do you call it? Ebia ahinie means me a soft phone, you know. Two captains or whatever can never stay in one ship.
No.
Our right is a bicycle, paddling. You go down, you come up, and that moves the bicycle. Into respect my mantle, and I'll also respect your mantle. And no one exactly.
As simple as that. So for I don't know upon all the women in the world.
Yep.
Father na Hemaa.
Hemaa
na ope.
Edu baby a nyame hyehyeye. It's divine. Oya ho hwe enyi. You understand? Edu baby nso a choice. Sene okai no. Me to me will say it's something that is being destined. Say ebedu baby no. We are going to meet and get together like this. Because I can say to the Lord, say, this marriage is okay. And it makes me move on to flow when even I'm ministering. I'm telling you. What you say?
You married 2017.
Yep.
You've been married 2017. Let's just say about 5 years. 17, 18, 19. About 5 years.
Yeah.
And you feel this is the right one.
Oh, that is what I can say from my heart, from my soul. My soul is at ease.
So first marriage in the about 12 years and
Yep.
12 years, no.
It's even more than 12 years, yeah.
I'm sure, sir, from the beginning, about 5 years, and this is the same way.
Yeah, my can't say me chiro. It do be a prayer. Our rear enya ho pre because a idea be or do tikwako uremu a. You don't have to go back and pay for any kind. Ain't no it do baby a ebi no prom ho toto. You understand? Ain't no pro ho na do tiko shemu a. Ebu a o yi a na e din. Me say me pre me ho. What you say? Pre me ho pa.
Okay, the miracle kwa chiri a anka beto obu ase.
Anka beto obu ase because sister our enya easy like that people sees it. Say obewone bia ware for bi tike mu na omu koba ni ade bia no mo. But indoors there are a lot of things that happen indoors. But say make sure say nyame di wanimu a whatever you do it moves on smoothly for you. Let the Lord lead you.
Let's just say 12 years back na nyame ni wani.
No say me answer me prepare me ho.
Nyame anka sa.
Nipa akwa so de dem mu na ya sakra wie na fe still na to me say sa new man na anka sa there that new man is there. And you know, baby, you have to get someone to teach you certain things and move on. What do you say? If you are being, say, why are craft from when we're actually sorry, there are a lot of people there that they have to make sure you church your name. Maybe make a prayer. It means to go. What you say? So, obi hear me. I think I can let the person come and see me. Yes. My number and as I told you, God has called me to give directions for solutions. 024 110 4949. 024-110-4949. So, Ofra, you can come to my office and we can sit down and talk about what the Lord is about to do for you. The number again is 024-110-4949. Apostle Newman.
That's it, baby. Nana Hemaa, me patch your final verse. Me patch your kasakaka.
Obi bia ofo say baby a wedu no eni da so bia inni ho no. Nia meka chon say ema wabam ngo. Ema wabam mbu. Say ote ho. Me catch because we've been to a lot of seminars as traditional leaders. We resource persons. E blame yen. Ise awari bebra emia enya deformities emia pra emia wuno. Most of it no fi yen ahemia because yen na yen won wo efiefinim. Asam no ba esi esomni eka nya de to senia eda no na yede no oh enye hwe mofra ni nti tena ho saa but esa obisa ho asem say mofra no uwuja won how will they even survive?
Wana be hwe won
wana na be hwe won mofra ni nti atena ho na wo beku mu no how will they survive? Nti na meka ni say men kase mofra ni nti o seek for counseling now she na enye ya
sorry Kofi
sorry well me pesa ye be way the politics of Ohimianis of my now cause it's reality
Debbie.
It's the reality
And for a woo ma worry mu because enkora nti fo ani to nkora no fo ani to nkora no na woo
yeah ebe obi wa ha onkomu obe deformel
yes
we your ho hwea enye ye. But me, no, I took that decision. And don't think, sir, I didn't get a reaction
you
from
get
being
it.
divorced. I had the reaction, sir, and I hear me out for the mo worry pen mo jamu kununum. Mo worry pe mo to me worry.
Mo ya homa so say.
Mo ya say. But if you meet queen mothers, that's when you see the humility in us. You see the humility. But people will judge because of that way royalty and niamana wo hu wo ye ho no. No, it's a different thing. Nti nya mekaning o hwe na nkori a mentina hu.
Thank you so much.
I just want to say a shout out to some people that are listening to me. Obi bi otie me bia no. I think Nyame Ensha Fee and all those guys that are listening to me outside there. I'm touched by a song. I want GH Boy to play that song for me. Maobo hewale mawono Efonko bogbeno Inyangale tueke kwamo Eko kranya bano Maobo hewale mawono Efonko bogbeno Inyala tueke kwamo Eko kranya bano Mawajebo No shale fensho na shia Mawajebo No shale fensho na shia Inyala itueke kwamo eko kranya bano Inyala itueke kwamo eko kranya bano Onua FM Amin shira
Mawo boy wale mawono Efonko bogbeno Inyala itueke kwamo eko kranya
Bro nye ba obia person ni adwumako bi didwa media general and was on your baby bro nye be but modern any media general and baby didwa be bo adwuma hu the royal media general benya atofo ene ekofo bebre ni omu didwa be bo adwuma hu the royal benya afaso so free adwuma ho ye be chance here from the 7th of December to 24th of December you better hold the row all your social media platforms. Come on. 0541 159 715. Some person media general bedi ja sa bro nya ya. 0541 159 515. And that's 0244 705 675. Big O. The drink is big O. Hey, mommy, drinking is big O. A Rush energy drink, omni venom mineral water. And I did drink Yaba Jasso. First, the night shemu 16, but says see ya menemoka say shemu 20. Over 10 out of 10 a synchrano. Bronya bay to be chef fridge mufa maho. Aquatal. Still, I go so I the April fires. Ubu so now they are to not the Sifia now for Pianya Biano. To me, the whole row of fruits and vegetables. Ubenya Biato chemical shops, pharmacies, and a shop will be a ben will be a aquatop. Yeah, the two so near purifying. So our cranas are open Biata with me a friend 020 907 7726 0209 077 726. So Kumaso Swanwa friend 050 169 4275. Kufori dia Afonso friend 0244 593 381. Aquatab. And then about 5 p.m. Ye premiere Galamsey economy. Anas Areme Yao Anas. Movie no inti me pacho. Friend number way 050 528 050 about 5 Ye premiere Galamsey movie in our TV3 Executive Theater. So pesa ubehebia free tickets. Friend number way 0550 582 982 0550 582 982. Friend number ni say Sia never do free ticket. Never heard Galamsey. Anas Ameriyao Anas Ediabano. But my didn't be sure be ne hunya echo. Friend number ni say Sia ne do ticket. So what you need in and Juma on Onua 95.1. We were live on Facebook. Yeah, but sorry, I'm a news for the 12 o'clock news Abramo. Madam me producer NKG I say. GH boy. Don Richie. Sapo yo. Me am the Jumedi Abramo, your friend Felicia say. Fine girls in our class prefect. I want for phone in our class prefect.